In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Flodesk workflows for automation for 2025, creating either a welcome sequence or a sales funnel. Let's dive right in and get you started on making your email marketing more automated and efficient. First, we head to Flodesk, the central hub for all our workflow magic. Open your web browser and go to www.flodesk.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. It's important to have everything organized and ready, so if you haven't already created an account, make sure you set that up beforehand. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the dashboard. Click on the Workflows option. This is where you'll construct your series of automated emails designed to nurture your audience and guide them along the customer journey. To start a new project, click the plus new workflow button. This is your starting line for building either a welcome sequence or a sophisticated sales funnel. The next step is to choose a trigger for your workflow. A trigger is what initiates the sequence of emails. For example, you might choose to start your workflow when someone fills out a form on your website or when they join a particular segment of your audience. This decision will depend on your specific objectives and how you prefer to engage with your audience right from the start. After setting your trigger, it's time to add your emails. Click on plus add email to create the sequence of emails tailored to your needs. For a welcome sequence, you might consider kicking things off with a welcoming email that delivers a freebie, followed by an introduction and your story a day later. Continue by explaining what your subscribers can expect over the next few days. Add social proof or testimonials 2 days later to build trust, and wrap it up with an offer or product pitch 3 days after that. If you're focusing on building a sales funnel, begin with a thank you email offering a freebie. Follow up with helpful tips or added value in your second email. Your third email could offer even more value with a gentle pitch. Reserve your main offer and strong call to action for the fourth email, and finish with a sense of urgency or a special bonus in the fifth email. To ensure your emails are spaced out nicely, it's crucial to add delays between them. Click on plus add delay after each email to set an interval like 1 or 2 days. This pacing helps keep your audience engaged without overwhelming them. Before you wrap up, take a moment to review everything. Check that all emails are included, each trigger and delay is correctly configured, and that the overall flow looks good. Once you are satisfied, click Publish to set your workflow live. And there you have it, a polished automated email workflow in Flodesk ready to engage your subscribers. Happy automating!